Hi, here is a quick demo of the ReportDash Google Sheet add-on. This add-on allows users to fetch data from various marketing channels like Facebook ads, Bing ads, Google ads, etc. to Google Sheets. So let's get started. Go to Extensions, ReportDash, and click on Launch. It asks for various authorizations that are required to run this add-on. In the sign-in screen, choose the Google account to which this Google Sheet belongs to. The various permissions that it will ask for are view and manage the spreadsheets that this application has been installed in, connect to an external service, allow this application to run when you are not present, display and run third-party web content in prompts and sidebars inside Google applications. It asks for the minimum of permissions that are required to run the add-on. It requires the permission to edit the file in which the add-on is installed so as to update the data. It does not require access to all your Google Sheet files. It just requires the access to the file in which the add-on is installed. Click on Allow. Now that the authorization is granted, we can relaunch the add-on. To use the add-on, users need to have an account with ReportDash. It is inside the ReportDash portal that users can manage their account, like onboard other users, link third-party accounts, and manage their billing. So here it is asking to associate this Google Sheet user with a ReportDash account. Click to associate. If you already have an account with ReportDash, you can log in using your credentials, or else you can sign up. Here I am trying to sign in with Google. Since I do not have an account with ReportDash, it is asking whether to create one. I click on yes. Finally, authorize the Google Sheet user to be associated with this ReportDash account. Now we can start adding data to the Google Sheet using the add-on. For that, click on Add Data Fetch table. Select the data source from where you want to pull in the data. For the time being, I'm trying to fetch the data from my Google Analytics account. Here one can provide the data fetch configuration. It first requires to select an account from where you want to pull in the data. Since I do not have linked any accounts yet, my drop down is empty. So I'm clicking on link new account. I'm logging into my Google Analytics account and granting access to fetch the data from the Analytics account. It lists the various Google Analytics account that I have. One can select the required accounts and click on link. Now we can go back to the add-on. The recently linked accounts will be listed here. Select the account from where one need to pull in the data. Also select the required metrics and dimensions. And finally click on save. The requested data has now got added to the Google Sheet. If the data needs to be refreshed periodically, one can create schedules. For that, go to the Schedules tab. For scheduler to work, the add-on requires permission to update the sheet even when the add-on is not opened. The scope requested is the drive.file scope, which grants the add-on write access to this particular Google Sheet file. It is through Google File Picker that users can grant write access to specific Google Sheet files. To list the files in Google File Picker, drive.metadata.read-only scope is requested. The scope grants the permission to read the name of all your files in Google Sheet account. The permission is to just read the name of your files and not any file contents. So we request that scope as well. Once the access is granted, one can create the schedules to periodically update the data. Thank you.